On today's segment, we're going to make a coconut chicken stew, so keep watching. We'll start with 2 pounds of chicken. I have a combination of dark and white meat. Of course, you could use one or the other or both. Now I'm going to give this chicken a little taste of adventure by using a secret spice mixture. Actually, it's no secret, the recipe is below the video. It's very important to take your time and massage the spice mixture into the chicken because it's going to absorb all the flavor while it's cooking. After you're done, this goes into your fridge for at least 1 hour, preferably overnight, which is what I did. 1 large onion that's finely diced and 4 cloves of garlic minced. So these are tomatoes that I've had in the fridge for at least 2 weeks, no joke. I was planning on making something else with them. They're kind of gnarly looking, but I'm still going to use them because they're going into a pot and they're going to be stewed, so they're perfect. You can use the cherry tomatoes and seed them, which is kind of time consuming, but of course I did it because that's all I had available. Even better, take 1 large onion, seed it, and then chop it up. The skin is a little old, so it's giving a little bit of resistance while I'm cutting. Now add 1 tablespoon of canola oil. And when you notice the oil is warping, add your onions. Add the salt and pepper. And once your onions are translucent and tender, which is about 5 to 7 minutes, you could remove them. Add 1 more tablespoon of canola oil. And then you could sear the chicken in batches. Place the chicken pieces in the same bowl, and now we're going to begin cooking the tomatoes. Saute them for a few minutes and then add the onion back to the mixture. Give it a nice swirl to combine the ingredients. Now add a can of coconut milk. If you prefer the lighter variety, that's fine too. I just like the full fat, which is richer and creamier. Add the chicken back into the pot and try to submerge them. It's going to get a little crowded, but I'm sure you could still get all the chicken pieces in there. You'll cook this on low heat for about 1 hour to 1 hour and 20 minutes. Chop a 1/4 cup of cilantro, and it doesn't have to be finely minced like I'm doing it. A half an hour in, you'll put half of that into your stew. Afterwards, cover and allow it to cook for another half an hour or 45 minutes. You'll check for doneness half an hour in, and if it still needs some more cook time, then you'll give it another 15 minutes.
This recipe is just a harmonious blend of creamy coconut milk and bold spices. And of course, the tomatoes just gives it a hint of tanginess, and the cayenne pepper just gives it the right kick. I didn't put too much because I don't have a palate for spicy foods. If you like what you just saw, give me a thumbs up. And for more videos, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.